Baker Mayfield. I mentioned before, previous episodes, that they might need to bring in competition for him. Well, he's not going to play this week against Cincinnati, which I think is a great move for him because one of the worst things that's happened, he's a first-round pick. Joe Burrow's a first-round pick. Browns have been bad for a while. Bengals have been good, but they dipped down again and were bad for a couple seasons as well. Baker got in the playoffs last year, but Joe Burrow looks really stinking good, like almost MVP caliber good this year. And so the Browns are comparing him with that. Pay on the hook for 18, 19 million next year for him. You're gonna have to find a way to pay it. They got it. They can take care of it. They budgeted. It's not a ton for your starting quarterback, but I think they need to bring in competition, as I've said before. That'll get the best out of Baker. He's a competitive dude. 3 guys throwing out there. David Carr, I think he could be available with the Raiders. Kirk Cousins, I think he'll be available with the Vikings because there could be a lot of movement up there. And then also Jimmy G, I think he could be available with the Niners. And now a lot of those guys you think stopgaps, although Derek Carr is playing really, really good football this year. You look at this. Ryan Tannehill was basically kind of those guys when he was in Miami. He goes there to compete with Marcus Mariota in Tennessee. Ultimately wins the job. You look at what he did last year. You're like, all right, he had Derrick Henry, great run game. Look at what he's done this year. Even without Derrick Henry, they're on the precipice of being the 1 seed. He has done a fantastic job. One of those guys could turn out to be Ryan Tannehill because you just need a guy to be good for the next 3 or 4 years. You don't need a 10-year answer at this point. It'd be nice to find one. I don't think you'll find one in the draft. Browns need a receiver, clean up some other areas. They got some good depth, but that roster is loaded and ready to go. Those are their answers.